How to get approved for Amazon affiliate program. To get approved for the Amazon affiliate program, you will need to meet certain requirements and follow the application process. I was prepared for you a step-by-step process about this. First up, you need to create a website or a blog. The Amazon Associate program requires you to have an active website or blog with original content. Your site should provide valuable information and insights to your audience, and it should be well structured and easy to navigate. You need to have a strong online presence. Amazon wants to see that you have a consistent online presence and a growing audience. If you have a strong following on social media or a YouTube channel, for example, that complements your website content, it can enhance your chances of approval. You need to fill out the application form. Once you have a website or a blog, you can start the application process. You need to visit Amazon Associated program and sign up for an account. It's very easy to do it. You just need to complete the application form, providing accurate information about your website, contact details, and tax information. You need to meet the qualification requirements. Amazon has specific qualification requirements for its associates program. This includes generating at least three qualified sales within the first 180 days of joining of the program. Qualified sales are those that result from clicking on Amazon affiliate links on your website and completing a purchase within 24 hours. As you can see, this is my new account. Amazon was closed like my accounts like three times so far, and there is the reason that I don't have any click and sell because it's new. Of course, in the future, I will try to grow this account. Next step is provide quality content and relevant product links. When you're promoting products on your website, ensure that the links are relevant to the content you are creating. Use descriptive affiliate links that clearly convey the product's features and benefits. You need to respect Amazon advertising guidelines. Follow Amazon's advertising guidelines to ensure your affiliate links are placed appropriately and in compliance with the program rules. This includes avoiding excessive affiliate links and using clear disclosures to inform your audience that you are on Amazon Associates. Provide excellent customer service, and as an Amazon associate, you are responsible for providing excellent customer service to your website visitors. This includes addressing any questions or concerns they may have about the products you recommend. After that, you need to monitor your affiliate performance. Keep track of your affiliate sales and performance metrics to identify areas for improvement. Analyze which products are generating the most clicks and conversions and optimize your approach accordingly. After that, you need to apply for the other affiliate programs, like you need to consider applying for other affiliate programs related to your niche or industry. This can help you to diversify your affiliate marketing efforts and reach a wider audience. And the last step, and probably the most important step, you need to join affiliate marketing communities. Try to find communities or specific communities on Reddit, Facebook, Quora, uh, things like that, because there are a lot of communities here ready to buy something. Basically, isn't very hard to find it, but you need to spend some time on research. Well, that's it, guys. Hope that this video will help you a lot, and we will see in the next videos.